Okay, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Hope you guys are all doing well. Today we're going to be talking quickly just about some stock plays I might be doing here in the near future, considering pharmacy stocks, because recently I've been seeing a bunch of stocks, like pharmaceutical stocks in general, that have been moving quite a bit, and I don't know, but the thing is, there's something I keep seeing is when something gets FDA approval, they end up skyrocketing in price. So it's just something that kind of hit my radar just recently and this morning. So let's talk about a few of those. So like on Robinhood, it shows you the kind of the trending tickers or what's moved up like the most in the past day. So this Elector Inc. was on there. Friday moved up 58%. Jumped from let's see, pre-market, closed on Thursday at 22, spiked all the way up to 41, and then closed the day off at 35. But you see how this thing was basically trading at 18 to 22 for the past month, even the past 6 months, basically in that range. And then they got some news that they're gonna be was it with GSK? Yeah, Elector and GSK announced global collaboration in immunology for 2 clinical stage first-in-class monoclonal antibodies for neurodegenerative diseases. So basically, they're going to be working on something, co-develop progranule elevating monoclonal antibodies AL001 and AL101 for a range of neurodegenerative diseases, including frontotemporal dementia, amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, Parkinson's disease, and Alzheimer's. Now, but considering how it moved on Friday, how it spiked big time to 41 and being at 22 on Thursday was pretty incredible to me. So I decided to do a little bit of research on a few or just pharmaceutical companies pending FDA drug approval. So there's actually a bunch. Recently, Prevention Bio, they recently had an FDA decision on teplizumab for the delay or prevention of clinical type 1 diabetes in at-risk individuals. That was on the 2nd. So if we look at the stock itself, let's see. So like that, so Thursday closed at 8.33. Friday morning spiked up to $9 and then went back. So there's a bunch of ways that these kind of stocks can move, but basically I was looking at Chimerix is basically FDA decision on brincidofovir as a medical countermeasure for smallpox. Chemocentrics is awaiting FDA approval on avacopan for the treatment of ANCA-associated vasculitis. And then Bayer AG over here, FDA decision on finerenone or patients with chronic kidney disease, CKD, and type 2 diabetes. So any of these three right here are basically going to be on my radar. Chimerix, I was kind of looking at maybe doing options on it. It could be I don't remember if I was able to do options on it. I'll have to check it and put it on the screen, but if there's a possibility that I can do options on this, that might be a good idea, because a medical countermeasure for smallpox, I know smallpox is basically, it's still around. So FDA approved brincidofovir under brand name Tembexa for the treatment of smallpox on the 4th. So it should be approved anyways, because the brand name Tembexa got approval for it on the 4th. So that would be an easy play. Now, Chemocentrics, and then Bayer would be two other ones. Then I found this website that has updated things. So this is updating on a whole bunch of pharmaceutical stocks and companies awaiting in their stages in the FDA approval process. So you have all these on the first, and then recently on the second. So there's companies in awaiting, or their catalyst is in Q3, July 2020, July 2021 estimated, the 7th or the 10th of July, September 21st, the 12th of July, this date passed, estimate June 25th will not be met. So there's a whole bunch of things going on here and giving dates and catalysts for what could be happening for said company and what they're trying to do. So like this, LPCN over here, non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, non-alcoholic steatohepatitis, and then LGVN is working on Alzheimer's disease, and a whole bunch of just different stocks. But yeah, just wanted to kind of share my thoughts on this. I know recently there has been a bunch of pharmaceutical stocks that have been kind of going up and down, but this is all stuff to look at. And that's the fun thing about the stock market. There's always new companies, always new things to look at. Let's say you missed something, you thought something was going to not move, and then it moves the next week. There's always going to be another company to try and do it again on. So these are just my thoughts. These might be some plays that I'll be doing here in the next week. Most likely options, or might go ahead and buy some shares. But we'll definitely have to see. And then there was one thing too with Pfizer and Johnson & Johnson. We'll see this. Johnson & Johnson, it was saying, I saw it on the news, that the Johnson & Johnson works against the Delta variant. So that's pretty good to hear. Lasts at least 8 months, protects against Delta variant, and studies find, let's see, and the company said, 8 months and appears to prove adequate protection against the Delta variant, the company said in a statement. So that's definitely good news to hear. And then I believe I saw something with Pfizer. Now, see, this isn't really too good to see with the Pfizer, but could have been side effects, but I'm not sure. If we go here, there's kind of negative news on Pfizer right now, but I know Pfizer has been doing a bunch of other things outside of just the vaccines. So these are just some things to think about with these pharmaceutical stocks and them waiting FDA approval and everything that's kind of going on in the world right now. So just wanted to share my thoughts. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, please drop a like. If you guys have any like comments or your thoughts about these pharmaceutical company stocks in general, or what your experience with them in the past has been, put those in the comments, because I'm definitely eager to hear, and any kind of input would be greatly appreciated. If you guys are new here, please consider subscribing. It lets me know that there's new people, and the people who watch my videos, it keeps growing every day, so I'm greatly appreciated about that. But yeah, that's gonna wrap it up. It's been Oscar. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.